Oh, that looks sick! Yeah!
Hey guys, how's it going?
Yo,
the other day I came up with this idea where I take a photo of Nico with a really slow shutter speed when he's on the skateboard, so it adds a little motion blur around him so it looks like he's going really fast. But there are a couple things that I'm going to have to keep in mind. I'm going to have to go the exact same speed that he's going, and the camera's going to have to be stable at the same time. This is how it's going to work. We're going to need a camera stabilizer, a stick, a skateboard, and an electric skateboard.
So out here it's just a little bit too bright, and there's also not enough like stuff around Nico. It worked really well when we had trees and stuff, so we're gonna go back into the shade and try and get a better photo. This is attempt number 2. Thanks, man. Got the camera set up. Basically, I'm gonna be behind him, and it's gonna be stabilized, so he's in focus, and everything else around him is like got a bit of motion blur. Hello, hello. So it's gonna look like he's zooming. Starts now. Go, go, go. Faster, faster. Oh, that looks sick! Yo! Yo, that looks sick.
Alright guys, we're here in the spot where we're gonna take the photos, the burst photos, right along this alleyway. We're gonna put the phone down so you can get our little react.
This is our 3rd try. Hopefully this works.
I think it's cool, but I think it could look even better. So I've decided to make some modifications to the skateboards.
Yo! This thing is even better than before.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.